Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to make a QR code generator and get information out of that QR code. So in order to do that we'll need 4 packages, and in order to generate the QR code we need pyQR and pypng, and then to get information we need pycba and pillow. I'll put the links of these in the description below. So I'll copy the pyQR and go to PyCharm or any other editor, open up the terminal and then paste this to install the package. I'll install pypng in the same way. We need to install pycba and pillow. Okay, so next we need to import these packages. So I'll write import pyQR and then from pycba we need decode. This is the same as importing. From pycba dot pycba import decode. Next from pillow we need to import image. Then I will create a QR code object. QR equals pyQR dot create, and inside apostrophes let's write hello world. This will be the text that will be in the QR code. So next we need to convert it into a PNG. QR.png, the name of the file inside apostrophes. I'll write my QR.png and give it a scale of 9. So let's see if it creates. Okay, so as you can see in your project, a file name my QR.png, and so this is the QR code. Okay, so let's get information out of that. I'll name an object name O equals decode and open that image dot open. The name of the file is my QR.png. I'll copy and paste this here, and then I'll print the information in no or QR code information. So this is the string of the information. So in order to get this is the first data. As computer start from 0 inside to square brackets, I write 0, and then in order to convert our data from binary to ASCII, data dot decode inside brackets and inside apostrophes ASCII. So let's run this. Okay, so hello world. So we created a QR code and got information out of this QR code. So this is the end of the project. So thank you for watching.